Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer option on Android. Let's get started. At first, go to phone settings. Now scroll down. Click on additional settings. See, there is no developer options. Now go back. Click on about phone. Click 4 times on Android version. Click 4 times on MIUI version. Okay, done. Go back. Again, go to additional settings. Now scroll down. See, developer option has been enabled. By this process, you can easily enable developer options on your Android.